Good morning. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich with your outlook for Tuesday, June 7th, 2016. And for your Tuesday, we're expecting this system down here, which is Tropical Storm Colin, that is now moved across Florida off to the northeast. This is going to head right across the Gulf Stream here. And because of some very warm temperatures, you're going to see some pretty rapid intensification of this system. However, because a cold front is going to be pushing through the area today, it's going to pick up this system and move it off to the northeast, and therefore it's going to keep it away from our region, southeast of our region. It will have some effects from increased surf right along the South Jersey beaches and Delaware beaches, however, as this moves off to the northeast. It's going to come awfully close, and you can see that really ramping up here in the next frame. This is looking at Tuesday afternoon, early afternoon. And so, obviously, a hard time here for the eastern North Carolina areas that just got affected by Bonnie is now getting affected by Colin as it moves off to the northeast. In our area, just some scattered, isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms. I'm not really impressed with this either. This cold front really doesn't have a lot of kick to it, except for what's coming behind it. It actually is a strong cold front, even though it doesn't look like it with the with the coverage of precipitation. But behind this, we're going to get some really cool air coming here, and that's going to be setting up for Wednesday, straight through the weekend. It looks like maybe not Saturday, but the rest of the time through this, at least through Friday, is going to be below normal. And then here is Colin rapidly taking off to the northeast, and you can see it's away from our area. But again, this is a pretty deep low at this point, 984 millibars by this particular model's estimation. So you will have some increased surf right along the beaches of southern New Jersey, and again on Delaware all the way down to Ocean City. So you're going to have some pretty good surf in there, but I don't expect any precipitation. Maybe a few clouds from it, if at all possible. That's the only thing we're going to be dealing with there. But again, not a lot of precipitation back in our coverage area for Tuesday. Let's go over the NAM High Res Future Simulated Radar. Again, this is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I just want to show you a few pop-up showers, perhaps a thunderstorm. And move this forward a little bit. You can see there's really not a lot of coverage. This is going through 5 p.m. now. Moves into New Jersey. Just a few pop-up showers, maybe a thunderstorm. That's about it. So that's all we're dealing with on Tuesday. Moving ahead to Wednesday now, we are going to have another short wave that's going to move through the area. This piece of energy is going to rotate through in the morning hours on Wednesday primarily. Again, going over to the NAM High Res Future Simulated Radar here, we'll start this off at about 8 o'clock in the morning. You can see just some widely scattered showers. They're going to move eastward. This is 11 a.m. This first image was 8. Here's 11. And then by the time we get to 2 o'clock, it's just about poised to move off the coast at that point. So not a lot to worry about there. Maybe a thunderstorm with that too, but most likely just showers early on Wednesday morning. And that will be out of here as well. Again, much cooler on Wednesday. Temperatures are going to struggle out of the 60s in many locations until you get down here by Philadelphia. I do think you hit 70 there, barely. But in the interior, it's going to be a lot cooler, and it's going to feel a lot cooler with a rushing northwesterly breeze, and that's going to continue, at least the breeze will, on Thursday. But back to mostly sunny skies, it looks like, for Thursday. Same deal here for Friday. We are going to moderate a little bit in temperatures, but still remaining below normal, looks like, here on Friday. And then Saturday. Now this has been interesting because we had this modeled yesterday to be much more aggressive than it is today on all the model guidance. This area low pressure in the Great Lakes, which is right here where I'm circling, is going to have a warm front with it. But this system is now modeled to move north of the area. You can see that here. It's heading up over New England at this point. So by being up here, warm front's well north of the area. So we're going to be here's your warm front. And a cold front is sitting back here like this. So you're going to be warmer here, but any precipitation comes in after dark. So anything that's going to be stronger or any thunderstorm activity mostly will be relegated to our western areas, where the eastern areas will stay dry until at least the late evening. And then you get some residual showers and thunderstorms moving through, maybe overnight Saturday night. But this is not a big deal like it was shown yesterday. So not expecting any widespread severe outbreaks. Here's that cold front coming through the overnight. And then we get into Sunday, we're back to partly cloudy again. But again, the wind's shifting to the northwest, so we're going to be a little bit cooler on Sunday, it looks like. But it will be partly sunny and just delightful out for at least the second half of the weekend. Weekend right now doesn't look too bad. If this holds, Saturday doesn't look too bad until maybe the end of the day, and then you're just getting some isolated showers and thunderstorms moving through, but mainly for our western areas, so not a big deal right now. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for June 7th, 2016. Have a great Tuesday.